There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2015 Dodge Challenger RT Plus Shaker in bright white. With automatic projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, Shaker graphics, dual rear exhaust with bright tips, rear body color one-piece spoiler, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 4087A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.